So this is our little koi pond. There's some of the boys swimming around. You may just be able to see the black tail of the Colostomus swinging around underneath the rock, just left of where the water falls. I've got a huge stash of food over there. That's all the red floaties, but they haven't figured it out yet. Nope. Looks like somebody's got it. And these two fellows over here. So our koi aren't very big yet. Kept them small for budgetary reasons. There's my favorite. It's a little gold one. You can barely see him.